Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Marathwada, Mitra, Mandals, Shankarrao, Chavan Law College. So today we'll see how many seats are available in this college का admission process क्या है, and how much score is required in CET Law examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Pune, and this college is also affiliated to the Savitribai Phule Pune University. So now talking about the number of seats available in this college. So in terms of 3 years LLB program, this college offers in total 120 seats, and also for 5 years integrated LLB program, this college offers 120 seats. So now talking about the expected score required in 2021 examination. So if you are targeting this law college, then in terms of 3 years LLB program, you need to score more than 96 marks out of total 150 marks. And in terms of 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to score more than 95 marks out of total 150 marks to secure admission in this college. And in case if you have started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, अगर आप जानना चाहते हो कि अगर आप आज की डेट में एग्जाम लिखते हो तो आपके कितने मार्क्स आते हैं, so for that we have launched a mock test on our application. You can download the application from Play Store. Also the application link is available in the description box. So you can download this and you can attempt this mock test and come to know your preparation level. So now talking about the admission process. So basically there are two examinations. So for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. And in case of 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to appear for 5 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. So first step comes here is to prepare for the examination. The next step is to register yourself for the examination. उसके बाद आपको मिलता है हॉल टिकट, एंड हॉल टिकट में जो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर होता है, आपको वो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर पे जाके एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देना होता है. आफ्टर दैट यू गेट योर रिजल्ट्स, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एक ऑनलाइन सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन प्रोसेस होता है जिसको हम कैप राउंड भी बोलते हैं, where you are supposed to select the college preferences, and on the basis of that you are allocated one college. जो कॉलेज आपको allocate हुआ है वो कॉलेज में जाके आपको डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करना होता है, and then finally you get admission in that particular law college. So this is the admission process. So in case if you have any doubts or any questions, you can put your questions in the comment section. Also you can directly contact us on 8383818888. You can also access to our website, that is www.beducare.com. And अगर आपने आपका preparation start नहीं किया है, then you can start your preparation for CET Law examination with us. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET Law examination. We provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes. We also provide video lecture programs, and we also provide books as well as mock test. So our application is available on Play Store, and also it is available on Apple Store. So you can download this application and give the mock test. Also you can access the other courses. So in case if you want to know more about this college, and if you want to know more about this Maharashtra CET Law examination, you can contact us on this number, and you can call or WhatsApp on this number. So thank you so much for watching this video.